Hi, in this video, I'm going to be covering 3 video ideas that will boost your YouTube channel. I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, and let's get started. So the very first thing I want to talk about is basically having an honest review. I know it sounds a bit cliche, but hear me out. When you go on YouTube and you type in a review for a product, what do you mostly see? If you're like me, you're going to see hype. You're going to see, oh, this product is great. It's wonderful. It's this and that. And why? Because they want you to click the affiliate link and purchase through them, and so they can get a commission. I'm not saying everyone's like that, but you can see that happen a lot. All right. But here's the thing: if especially as a small channel, if you leave an accurate review, and a lot of products, they're either okay or they suck. Not every product's going to be good. And if you leave an honest review about a product, you might not get any many clicks, but you'll have more loyalty. I'll tell you that, right?
Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions again. I've mentioned in another video how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate my channel and to save time while building traffic. So hey, if you're interested in how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate a lot of your work and to build traffic, I'll put a link in the description and it will take you to the course where you can see how I do that. It's just there for people who are interested. So let's get on with the video.
And this is my personal experience. One course I purchased from a person, right? And this person said, "Oh yeah, this product is really good. You can make money within a few hours. Go ahead and take this course." And I trusted this person at the time, as it's a online marketer. So I'm like, okay, cool. He seems humble. He seems down to earth. I purchased his product that he recommended, and it was just trash. It was absolutely trash, and that was it. All it took is just one really, really junky product, and I lost all sense of respect for this person. Okay, and it was just for a quick buck. So yeah, you might not get as many clicks, but whatever subscribers you have will be much more loyal to you, and they will be more willing to listen to what you have to say. Honesty is a rare commodity, whether it's offline or online, in my opinion. All right, so that's the first video idea. The second video idea I would recommend, especially if you're a small YouTube channel, and that worked for me, is offering free alternatives to paid software. So if you were to look at, let's see, free. Let me show you, in real life and through my own practice, that a lot of the things that my videos that trend really well is basically a lot of my videos that are free. It shows how to do things for free as an alternative to paid software. And the reason why I like to do this is because I myself had paid for a lot of junky software, and sometimes I still get unlucky and I buy junky software, and I'm kind of stuck with it. So after that happens too many times, it's kind of like, all right, let me find a free alternative for this and this and this and this, and share it with everyone. And that's, I help other people out, and they help me out. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. A lot of people are looking for free alternatives now because times especially tough. Everyone wants to, hook you up and chain you to a monthly fee for $9.95 or 18 payments of this or that, and they want you to rent everything now. They don't want you to buy. You used to be able to buy software and own it at one time. I mean, imagine that. I mean, maybe I'm getting too old, but I'm feeling my age. You used to be able to buy Windows and own it and not have to, pay a monthly fee, or, buy Word and own it, or buy a software or a game and not have to, pay for a cosmetic or pay monthly for something, right? So this is that's why people will really value, when you show them a free alternative to paid software. So that's the second video idea that will boost your channel because of your content, right? And the last one, I would say, explain things that only you would know by doing. All right. So what I mean by that, a lot of the internet is just people kind of doing really, really light information, Google search, maybe read an article, and then just rehashing that, repeating that over and over again in different forms, and just trying to, just that's how they create content. I'm saying you should be different. You should, go ahead and explain things that only you would know by doing. So for me, it's testing all these AI softwares. A lot of them are kind of funky, and showing the real results, showing you step by step the things that you wouldn't know unless you bought the software yourself and tried it out. Right. So that's what I mean. And if it's some other field, then maybe, if you give some insider information that only you would know because you've done it so much, that's really, really valuable, because, look how much of the internet is covered in just people rehashing stuff that other people said. I mean, you can do your own research. You don't have to, take my word for it. You can go ahead and see it for yourself. And that information might not always be correct, right? It might change and shift and morph into something else. And maybe the origin was correct, but after it got repeated 1,000 times, the message changed or the information changed. So if you give information that, inside information through experience, whether it's by purchasing a software or course or an item or knowing a technique or a skill, that's very, very, very valuable information. Right? And it will definitely help your channel grow. Now, will it help you grow as much as clickbaity, hypey, super hypey titles? I don't know. That's to be debated. Maybe, maybe not. But either way, it's that method doesn't suit my personality. I prefer just doing things honestly, showing my true experience, and showing alternatives and to free paid products. Right, showing them free alternatives to that. So it gives me joy in doing that, and my content in turn has a natural value, so it naturally attracts people. Right? And I find it within the metrics myself. Right, so this is just my experience up to now. Right, I still have a lot to learn, but I wanted to share that with everyone. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit that like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.